Welcome back to California Live. All right, living in California, it can be a bit of a challenge planning menus to please all appetites and dietary preferences.
I know this firsthand, but not to worry, friends. Nutritionist and healthy living expert Lusita has brought us some Labor Day alternatives to boring old burgers. But I love the burgers.
Exactly. Hi, it's so nice to see you guys. Hi.
Yeah.
All right, so we are kicking off our Labor Day celebration early with King's Hawaiian, and these sliders, they are absolutely delicious. Right here, I've made a turkey avocado slider on these super soft and fluffy King's Hawaiian slider buns. This is one of my favorite recipes because these slider buns are not only so tasty, they can be customized to anyone's preferences.
Okay.
So, and they're a huge, huge crowd pleaser, and we can't go wrong.
So you still have the burger, but you're going healthy with it.
And you know what? We added a little, we swapped out the beef for turkey. I added in some avocados, so we have some healthy fats and proteins. Add a little fruit or veggie. You got a well-rounded meal.
Yeah,
All right.
something for everyone.
I prefer the burger, but I'm going to try this one. I'll do it. I'll do it for the house.
All right. This is deliciousness, okay? So this is going to add a special spark to any holiday barbecue party. This is Cacique's Ranchero brand queso fresco cheese. I love it so much because it's creamy texture, it's crumbly, and again, it adds a special spark to anything, right? I've also paired it here with a little watermelon and arugula salad. And listen, anytime you can add a fruit or vegetable to a plate, you're adding in nutrients and hydration and fiber, so you're all supporting a healthier lifestyle. And this cheese is one of my favorite authentic
I've actually
Mexican
had this
brands.
salad, and it is so good. It is absolutely delicious.
It smells great.
That is, I would hands down have that one again.
Yes, the
and
cheese
of course
makes
you can't,
it.
you can't go wrong with the potatoes and cheese.
Yeah. Actually, those are plums.
Oh my gosh! I honestly thought those were potatoes.
I know. Okay.
Wow. All right.
But you know, the thing is, it's so high quality, you can really pair it with anything.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so the next one is this is Blue House salmon.
Yes.
Exactly, right? This is the only salmon product sustainably raised onshore in the U.S. It comes fresh from Florida, guys. This is a big thing when looking for salmon. You want to make these healthier choices. It's got no microplastics, no antibiotics, and no hormones. I love it personally because it has a really mild, buttery flavor.
Yeah.
Salmon is packed with minerals and vitamins, all to help support a strong immune system. Again, you
So
can't
where
go
do you
wrong.
get this?
So you can get this at Safeway.
Okay.
Yep. Or you can go onto their website and check it out.
And the dill
it.
smells so good.
And easy to cook. Salmon's easy to cook. So
Okay, I've got a little sizzle and a little drizzle for you guys. This is one of my favorite products. It is Garza Olive Oil. It's made from picul olives that are from Spain, so it's more of a full-bodied flavor. They're never blended, which is really important to look out for. It's always fresh. They have two different kinds, so you want to use a little drizzle like for a finishing touch with some dips or some hummus and dressings, and then you want to use your sizzle for like searing, baking, grilling. And most people don't know that picul olives are really great in high heat, over 410, so they're great for
like sauteing,
exactly, frying.
And I love this squeeze bottle. That's actually really great.
I love these.
Yeah.
This actually makes cooking fun. They're
So
chef
easy.
inspired. It's fun and functional. And I found these at Whole Foods, or you can find them on graza.co.
Perfect. I'll definitely be getting those. Okay, we like this section over here.
Oh, yeah.
Who doesn't? This section over here.
All right.
It's our favorite section.
Okay, I'm not going to lie. This is Fresh Victor. They are cold press cocktail mixers. They are completely clean label, 75 to 90 calories per serving. My favorite part, one of these 16-ounce bottles is budget friendly because you can make 5 or more drinks with them. They have so many delicious flavors. Look, you can pair it with your favorite spirit, a seltzer, a sparkling wine, so you can customize it, again, to anyone. They are dropping in September. I am so excited.
Oh, it's not out yet.
No, these are out now, but they have a new flavor, a grapefruit and sea salt to look out for. This is a delicious strawberry lemon, and you guys take a sip.
Perfect.
There's no alcohol in here.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Guys, thank you so much. Great to see you.
And we will definitely be trying some of these ideas for sure.